Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Online Tutorials, the online educational channel. Today we are going to discuss the work breakdown structure, but before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel. First of all, we are going to define what do we know about work breakdown structure. So first, it's a method for completing a multi-step project. Usually it's a complex project. So here we can say that the work breakdown structure is the decomposition of the work or of a project. So when we divide our project into tasks and subtasks, then we will be able to accomplish our project objectives and create the required deliverables. So here, all the work contained within the WBS is to be identified, estimated, scheduled, and budgeted. And the work can be done by different team members, leading to a better team productivity and easier project management. Moving to the levels of WBS. We know that we have 4 levels, starting with the top level, the project titles or the final deliverables. Second, the controls account, the main project phases. Then we have the work packages, the group of tasks that lead to the control account level, and finally we have the activities. That means the tasks needed to complete the work package. Now, what are the purposes of the WBS? Starting with the first purpose, it echoes the project objectives. For example, given the mission of the project, the WBS may be able to identify the main work activities that will be necessary to accomplish the goal or a set of goals. So here, what we mention in the work breakdown structure is what gets done on the project. So it will help us in achieving and accomplishing our project objectives. Second, it's the organization chart for the project. As we know, by dividing our project into tasks and subtasks, so it's the same as a chart. So the organizational charts provide a way to understand the structure of the firm. That means who reports to whom, how communication flows evolve, who has the responsibility for which department. So here the WBS offers a logical structure for the project, identifying the key elements that need attention, the various subtasks, and as I told you before, we will be able to divide our project into tasks and subtasks. 3. It creates the logic for tracking costs, schedule, and performance specification for each element in the project. So here all the project activities identified in the work breakdown structure can be assigned their own budget and performance expectations. So here there is the first step in establishing a comprehensive method for project control. 4. It may be used to communicate project status. So once the tasks have been identified and the responsibilities for achieving the task's goals are set, so here we can determine which tasks are on track, which are critical and pending, and who's responsible for their status. 5. It may also be used to improve the overall project communication. So we know that the work breakdown structure not only dictates how to break the project into pieces, but it also shows how those pieces fit together in the overall scheme of the development. So here, as a result, the team members become more aware of their components fits into the project. They will be more aware who's responsible for providing the upstream work to them. They will be more aware how their activities will affect later work, or who's responsible for providing the work to them. So here, this structure may improve the motivation to communicate more within the project team. So they will be more motivated to communicate more as members, wishing to make activity transition as smooth as possible. And finally, the last purpose, it demonstrates how the project will be controlled. So here the general structure of the project demonstrates the key focus that project control will take on. I can take an example. Is a project based on creating deliverable, it can be a new product or improving a process or service. For example, functional efficiency within the firm. So here the work breakdown structure will be giving logic to the control approach and to the most appropriate control methods. Thank you for watching my channel.